Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV almost reach over here already. God Almighty.
Man, she, but she love me.
Ropeisha, where is it? Me didn't argue about it. Me still fish. So long time. I contribute. Nick, it's you why they start selling LP in dance, you know. And you must be, yeah. You carry them off, but yet still, yeah, they don't like it. So don't go around demand them again no more. Just buy your LP them alone by yourself. So good, Ropeisha. You can't style me. Me still run with my friend them. You understand? When me feel like I want to turn up with them, me turn up with them. And if me no want to turn up with them, I want to turn up with my woman, me turn up with my blood clot woman. Ropeisha, me no press button. Me button a drip like ice truck, like your one. No man no program me and tell me what to do. Like you. Learn that. You want me talk? Because me not go around now if people go buy a drink. And share table with them. Me not go run a heap of people. So me talk the blood clot too. Truth then. Nah Nick, yeah, you're this and you're that, and them man this and them man that, and then this. Ropeisha! Ropeisha! But yet still here, they're my friends. And they're your four. You're the biggest dancer locust, batty boy. You! But don't go around with them and buy no more box with nobody. You understand? Stay on your table to yourself and stick to your LP because it's you make LP selling back in dancehall. And you must stick to your trend. And don't drop it for no one because none of them not doing what you're doing. If you notice all night, it's 3 or 4 of them. You understand? Love my friend them. Go suck your mother. Me still there on with them. When I feel like me I'm get up round the 5 buckle and the 10 man, me do it too. Yes, with them. Yeah. He's a batty boy. You. So tell me say a lie me I tell suck good boy. Tell me say a blood clot lie. Because I'm sure if I'm a pitney them life, I'm not lying. You said it more than one time. Oh Nick, is you are LP selling? Yeah, don't know why you're going around with them. You understand? Because remember, them man this, them man that, you know, and them man this. I only go around with one set of people and set table with them. So talk the truth. People know. So I have to call name. That's how I do my things. Pussy. Yeah? So talk truth. Ropeisha. Ropeisha! Ropeisha! What the fuck do you? Stop pretending with the blood clot man them. I'ma tell you, some girl book you because they know you will try to sabotage them part of it. I'ma tell you the God honest truth. Yeah. Cause anything your body now flash 2 side right now, wet or drip out of, you not feel good. You not feel good. Your name not up on the poster, all your pants, you get wedges night after night, you can't sleep. Where you talk them things that say I saw you stay? Eh? Suck with Ropeisha. 100 pound you want style nickel. Go suck your mother and go a batty boy. What's the check so you can't style me? Me. But you see me kin off my blood clot tape. Me study you. Study you now. Enough of me have blood clot study too. And not just you alone. But you alone overstep the boundary. So the next one who overstep it, maybe a gunshot. Trust me. That may have blood clot tell you. So I'm tired of this. And my blood clot mouth corner now got chum fraud. They are cuss. For please none of blood clot on the ego. You understand? But you Ropeisha, you Ropeisha, you now get away from this one. Yeah. You think I joke, Kim? You think I joke? These little fuckers out there, you think they're normal? Huh? No. When I look for some of the video them, the picture them come out and me look shabby. And me look like say boy, me should have done back what I did there before. And all of these things that make woman not look good and this and that. And that you not look for, but no. Wouldn't then give no suck. Girl get big, long blood clot, wouldn't they all. All who they don't like and disappoint them. Every man who disappoint them and they don't like, they call their name. The woman then depend on the life, they not like. Your name is in it. You get a lot of dildo in your ass. Yep. Me not say, don't run them blood clot joke there with me then. Nah man, you mad? Are you fuck up me also? You mad? Yeah. I'll be a dildo you get in your body. Yes. So don't make me have to talk. I don't want, you see, because I'm a rate them woman, I don't want to make your thing out there. That's why you can go on video dance all pussy. That's why you can continue video in a dance. You hear that? You hear that? Because I don't want to make you have to run a left dance all. Pussy. Yeah? Me no want to make you have to run a left blood clot dancer, Ropeisha. Yep. Me no want to make you have to run a left blood clot dancer. Yeah? See the one person that when me rate a par with you, see him just shiny in there. Him alone me rate, me no rate you. You style me. Big time your blood clot style me. And you should never do that. And not me, you fi style like that. Not Nikesha. Not me. Not Sunday Best. You forgot when my name Sunday Best. And not me, you fi style Ropeisha. Bumbo Rasclad. And not me, you fi style. When you do a fuck remove. Big time fuckery. And we are going to jump me with a pin and face and I'm not going to load up on your pussy hole. What do you think this is? No, what do you think this is? Know yourself. Now I'm going to load up my video them tomorrow in the Nikesha. You have, just like Andrew there you know. Alright. When me do my red and black a Brixton. Yeah? Because I talk earlier. When I do my red and black a Brixton. Yeah? And I make like some Bap and Ricky Met Gala over North London. I forgot which part with it. And just see me roll up on the blood clot stage because me hold nice, you know. You understand? And when I make like some bloop, 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 bloop. Remember who in the play? Beer money. And she call me on the side and say, yo, Nikesha, remember for me one, you know? And I say, yo, you went at the envelope long time. Because you know where you go and left it for. And he said, alright. That's how you remind somebody about something, brother. Yes! That's how you remind somebody. But when you can't talk a phone, come give me and tell me if you big up the party, big up the round robin. Then you're gonna say, oh, I was trying to get your attention. How the fuck were you trying to get me attention, brother? Oh, you have to say, Nick, you know what, remember what a bills left back and say, where you say you're gonna give me, you know? Where you do? Cash or something? Or card? And all you have to talk it done. Don't try blood clot style me. I put out everybody bumbo clot video and don't put out mine. And when people ask you, he still owe me. Because suck your mother, man. I style your style, my virgin. Big bumbo clot style. And it's unacceptable. I mean, I accept that from nobody. And nobody can tell me if you accept that. Because I don't deal with you like that. You keep your blood clot party, me spend over 500 pounds on your party. Pussy. Me alone. When I promote your party, I tell me, say, boy, Nick, the people, they must say how much you promote my party like you really rate me. Yes, I rate you. But I thought you rate me too. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Dickhead. And me talk. Nobody, anyone of my friend or anybody who keep the party, me know this don't mean much to you, but me I tell you, me nah go for my video. I buy a blood clot drink. Because he can't get my money. He can't get nothing generated from my hard earned sweat. You mad? You pussy all this time. If you for my birthday, pussy, you know say if you did do it a red and black, I wouldn't vex. You say if you did do it a red and black, I wouldn't vex. But you did it for my birthday, pussy. You're rank. You're fucking bright. You're out of order. Who the fuck are you? I can't tell me about, oh, don't water, don't wake up by a box. Stick to your LP. Fuck you! You're a hypocrite! Dancer locust! You! In lockdown, member. You should have, that's the time you have to prove yourself and contribute something. I want to build a big blood clot studio, everything. Andrew Fresh sit down on the phone with me over an hour. Till my ears sweat, teach me how to play my board. I couldn't call you and ask you to teach me to do nothing where you know. Pussy, you wouldn't do that, you didn't charge me to do that. I want me ask him, so what am I say, nah man, you soon know what then the button there for. Just you want just the basic and me get you at the basics. Almost over an hour till my head sweat. Me I want that my phone I go shut down. Yeah? You're not like that. You can't get them ratings of pussy. Never. You're a cunt. If on the night then I'm going to tell everybody, say, you know what, tomorrow, how will I feel? Still give everybody a thing. Yeah. That's me. How much party me keep on me pay everybody and me go home and no. Yeah? Style me bumbo clock video. Where is the video from the artist them performing? Where is that on your platform? Where is my first red and black video? Where is the second one on your platform? You understand? Pussy. I'm still a blood clot video you. Me I pay you for video. Make it make bumbo clot sense. Make it make fucking sense. You don't like me. Enough. No. Me give you ropes to kill yourself because you need ropes. Pussy. That's on man. Tell you something, yeah? Me talk this every day.